Hey guys, Precious here again, and in this video, what I want to do is show you how to use the FB Infiltrator. Okay, I realize it's been some time since you made your purchase, but I've been getting a lot of tickets on my supporters asking me to show you guys step by step how to configure the FB Infiltrator, and that's what I'm trying to achieve in this video right now. I'm going to take you guys step by step, okay, tell you every single thing I'm doing to configure this app. Okay, I want to set up a campaign live in front of you. Okay, so let's get started now. I will assume you've installed the FB Infiltrator in your WordPress dashboard, and of course you've activated it. So when you do that, you have this little sign here. So I'm just going to go back to this sign. You click on that. Okay, it's going to take me to the main FB Infiltrator dashboard, right? Okay, now this is where I'm doing some dummy tests and stuff like that. Okay, so now when you look at this, you're going to see some stats. Okay, okay, this is like 52 views, 12 action. It might be clicks, it might be um, it might be opt-in. So I don't know about that, but yeah, this is 52 reviews, 12 unique actions, which means 22 conversion rate. Like the ton of data, you get this, you get to the stars once you start using the app properly. But what I want to focus on today on this video right now is to show you how I'm creating this. That's what I want to do precisely. Okay, I'm creating these campaigns. Okay, now, you just come down here, click on create campaign. I'm going to put in a unique name. Now, one thing you need to know about FB Infiltrator is if you are using this app, do not repeat a campaign name. Never repeat a campaign name. Always use a new unique campaign name when creating a new campaign. Okay, even if you deleted your previous campaigns, just never repeat a campaign name. That is totally against the rules. Okay, always use a unique name. Okay, all right. I'm going to say something like new vid customers. Okay, I'll just click on create campaign here. So what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to select my template. Now you can build a brand new one just by clicking select here and clicking continue. Okay, you build a brand new one with fresh background and all that, or you can select from any of our pre-built templates, and then we have a bunch of pre-built templates here. All right, now I'm just going to try and select this. Okay, when I select this, I'm going to click continue. I have a bunch of stuff to show you. Now here's the thing, this is where I think a lot of people are getting confused with this software. Now when they come in here, they configure stuff, but they don't really get it to work. It's usually because of so many reasons. So I want you to watch me carefully do this right now. All right, now I'm going to create a Facebook ID, and that is very important, and I want you to watch me do it carefully. Okay, now just click here. So click here, it's going to take you to where to create the Facebook app ID. Okay, but watch every single step I'm going to take in this video, and I'm going to create a brand new ID. All right, now just click apps. You see create a new app. You see this, you click on this. I'll just call this vid for all right, now for namespace you can forget about that. It's optional, so you just come down here. I normally like selecting business. Okay, so just select business and that's it. You can select any category, it doesn't really matter, but I just like selecting business myself. They can click on create app. Okay, now it's going to bring out this whole security check stuff. I'm going to pay that out. All right, then I can click on submit. This should probably take a second. Okay, it's taking some time. All right, that's it. This is done. Okay, it's done. But here's the issue. I think this is where most customers are making mistake. Most of you are making mistake when they do this. They just copy the app ID and they go down here and they put it in the software. Then they come over to the support desk and they tell me, "Precious, the app doesn't work." No, the app doesn't work like that. The app works, but it doesn't work like this. You need to set up some things, right? Now, when you do this, one important thing, please watch carefully right now what I'm going to do, because this is very important. This is the reason some of you can't get the software to work for you. I've gone into so many people's WordPress admin dashboard and I've seen that this is the mistake most of them are making. And then I've been busy since the release of this software. I've been very busy. I've been traveling. Right now, I finally got some time, so I'm shooting this video so that every single one of you will really enjoy using this app. Okay, all right. I'm going to click on these settings here. It's going to take me to a place where I need to enter my app domain, right? Okay, I'm just going to put in this. Okay, I'm going to configure my app domain. Now, the app domain is going to be exactly what is inside here without HTTP, without slash, without www, without any of that. Just this, just this, right? Just this. No www, no HTTP, no slash, no forward slash, no backward slash, nothing. Just this alone, right? I put it in there. That's the app domain. That's done, settled. Now, you click on Add Platform. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, all right. Then it's going to bring out this. I can select website. That's my platform. All right. Now, in this side, in this time around, I enter the full website URL. CSS monument.com, right? And that's it. That's it. Absolutely. Save changes. Okay, done, right? It's just saved changes, and that's totally everything. Now you can copy this app ID and you can bring it over here. Excuse me, and then you can put it in here. Then you can come down a bit. Then one more thing, if you are working with a template, please do not touch the app background settings. Please never touch the app background settings. Whether it's textures, whether it's colors. Once you are working with a pre-built template, please never ever touch this. Don't touch this at all. If you want to use the textures, patterns, the colors, then you should be working with build a new one setup. Okay, when working with templates, like I'm working with templates right now, please never touch the app background because it will really mess things up for you. Okay, come down here. I'll say my test line. Right, then I can say something like I can make this bold, right? And I can say video for customers. Alright, I can make this italics, or maybe I can just leave it as it is and just let it be. Then just come down here. I will click on this refresh button. Okay, when I tell people to click refresh, I find out some people were clicking this. It's not this refresh. I mean this refresh button. Just click on this. Okay, all right. So you can start to get the whole idea of how this thing works, right? Showing up right here, we need to put in some stuff, right? So next step, I put in YouTube URL. I'm just gonna put in any YouTube. I don't even really know what this video is. I'm just gonna put it in so we can get this thing going. Okay, then I can select the autoplay, but for now I don't want to do anything with autoplay. And then I can select the whole search display image. Now this is important because if you don't select this, when you post on Facebook, you'll see that appears to be black spot. Now I've seen some of these complaints on my support desk. Now the reason this is happening is because those customers, when setting up their app, never set it, never fixed their display image. You have to set a display image. That's the only way you can get this app to show a specific image when you post on Facebook. Now I'm going to select an image I want to show up when this is posted on Facebook. Now I can decide to select this image, nickname. Alright. Now I can just say excuse me, I can just say refresh again. Alright. The video is locked in, and of course our display image is locked in as well. Okay, now we come down here to campaign target. Okay, what I'm going to do right here is something very simple. All right, you can use our form code, or you can use your URL. Now what I want to tell you is, when using this form code, okay, it works with works with get response. It works with most of the popular autoresponders, and it works with third-party self-hosted autoresponders as well. Now the case in point here being that it works with almost everything, but what I want you to do is, before you use it here, make sure that the code you have, the autoresponder code you have, is only for, and I repeat, only for email box. Okay, it must have only email submission form there. You shouldn't have first name, you shouldn't have last name, you should have any other. It must be only email form. That's one thing you need to know. Now the second thing you need to know is that you must strip out the styling code. Okay, you must strip out that HTML styling code, the styling CSS code. Okay, you must strip that out for this to work. Okay, I already posted a video, okay, in the members area on how to strip out the styling CSS code, okay, from your autoresponder form. So please watch that video and learn how to do that. Okay, all right. But for now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the URL mode, and I'm going to say for this to go to http google.com. Okay, that's what I want this to go. I can make this button red. Okay, the button down there, I can make it red. And I can go back up all again, and I can click the refresh. All right. Okay, now this is changing google.com because I think I didn't stop my stuff properly. Sorry, I use this as button text. Excuse me. I made a mistake. I use this as button text. Okay, I put in the URL here, and I say, let me just put it here. Go to. All right. Okay, that's how you do this. It's very simple. I haven't seen an app so simple. I mean, Jesus, I haven't seen something so simple to set up. This is straight to the point. Okay, there's no gimmicks. There's no fancy pants. This is just straight to the point. Very simple. All right. So now this is it. Okay, this is all done. Complete. Go to Google. Whenever somebody clicks it, it goes over to Google. Right. So now I can click on continue. Then you can click on here to share, or you can just click on here to finish. I prefer clicking here to finish. Okay, and now here is it. Here it is. Okay, new vid for my customers. So I'm just gonna click on share. You can click on preview. This is the preview icon. You can click on this to preview the app you created. Okay, this is the one we created. Okay, this is everything. All right. Now, you can just click on the share button. Perfect. This is the display image I was talking about. This is the headline, and this is the this is supposed to be the excuse me, hold on a bit, and this is some headline. Excuse me. Now you can share this on your timeline. You can share it on a friend's timeline. I can just click on a friend, and I can just say something like, let me say something like okay, I'm gonna say now you can share this on Third Rush profile if you want to. Okay, but I don't want to do that. You can also share it in a group. Okay, just going to say something like Okay, I can decide to share it on the official JVZoo group. Okay, I can share it on the official JVZoo group, and the if I click on this will share on the official JVZoo group on Facebook. But I don't want to share it over there because that means if you are if you build your if you build a lot of traffic from group, if you build your list from group, you can share this on all the groups that you own. This is what we call this the FB infiltrator. It infiltrates places. It goes to places to get the work done for you. That's why we call it the FB infiltrator. Okay, it goes out there, it gets the work done for you, it brings you traffic, it brings you leads, it brings you sales. That's what we're trying to do for you. So you can infiltrate places, you can go to places and do things. Now, then you can also share it on a page you manage. Okay, and I have got some pages here, so nice pages I can tell to share it on anyone. Now, here's the kicker. Okay, this is very, very important. You can also share this in private message. Now, if I want to send message to some people, I can just I can just type in the name of a bunch of people, and I can send this to them as a private message. Like like marketing on Facebook is taking this whole thing to a whole new level. I can decide to go out there and share it on fan pages of a lot of people. Okay, all right. I can decide to share it on a bunch of people's fan page. All right. Okay. Like I can share it on the fan page of a bunch of guys. Okay, this is like so cool. Okay, you can do this over and over and over again. Okay, it's very very simple. I haven't seen something so simple and straightforward. Like I say, no fancy plan. This is just straight to the point. But what I'm going to do for now is I'm just going to share it on my timeline. Okay, and on my timeline, this is going to be. I'm going to say just new video on my awesome customers. I can now share link. Alright, I'm just gonna go over to Facebook and then we're gonna try to see this on my timeline. Alright, this is it done. This is exactly what I just shared right now. Very simple, very straight to the point, very, very awesome. I'm just gonna click here. Very straightforward, simple, straight to the point. That's why I really wanted to make this video, okay, to show you guys how this thing works. Because I don't want people talking about that this is all working for them. I want you guys to enjoy this. Now I'm going to try to first of all to play this video. Okay, as you can see, the video is playing now. Then I'm going to try to click on this, go to Google first, and let's see where it takes us to. All right, over here, just this Google. That's what I'm talking about. Result. I'm talking about things that work, and the FB Infiltrator works big time. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna put this on private before I lock out this video. I'm gonna put this on private. Only me, yes. Okay, alrighty. So speak to you guys soon, and the more videos coming your way, more amazing videos coming your way. I hope you enjoy them. Speak soon. Bye.